From the hormones and clinical skincare video, I gathered that menu updates should be updated at least once a year, and you should increase your price point by $5. Place your price point at 10% above your normal menu pricing for sweet deals and or promotions. Sweet deals should be blasted every Sunday and leave different options. This helps keep your book filled. Making 30% margin prices or higher for each service is key. The endocrine system is a chemical messenger system consisting of hormones, grouping of glands of an organism that secrete directly into the circulatory system to regulate the function of distant target organs. The feedback loops which modulate hormone release so the homeostasis is maintained. We have a large group of endocrine glands such as the pineal gland, the pituitary gland, the pancreas, ovaries, testes, the thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, the hypothalamus, and the adrenal gland. The exocrine glands secrete sebaceous oils, which are oil glands, and sudoriferous glands, which are sweat glands. Tongue twister. The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain, and this secretes tropic hormones, which cause other glands to make hormones. The FSH is the follicular stimulating hormone, is secreted by the pituitary and essentially plants the seed involved in ovulation during puberty and beyond. The LH hormone is another important tropic hormone that is needed to actually release the egg from the ovum in order to have children. The MSH is the melanocyte stimulating hormone. It is very important for estheticians to understand the connection with the possible loss or disconnection rather of any tropic hormone that actually needs to occur in females. The thyroid gland helps control growth and metabolism, which is the job of the thyroid gland. It is located in the neck and consists of 2 lobes. The primary influence of the thyroid gland is the regulation of the body's metabolic rate or energy levels, along with the body's capacity to synthesize protein. The thyroid must function at its healthiest state, as it produces the hormone calcitonin, which plays a larger role in the calcium homeostasis. Interesting ways to keep the thyroid functioning properly are to watch the body's iodine and tyrosine levels. Hypothyroidism, grave disease, when the thyroid produces excessive amounts of its hormone. Hypothyroidism is the thyroid lacks sufficient amounts of its hormones and can cause nodules and or cancer to develop. The pancreas is well known as the granular organ of the endocrine system to regulate insulin and assist with digestion of nutrients into the body. The adrenal gland sits on top of your kidneys and is made up of the medulla and the cortex. The cortisol, which serves as our stress hormone. The adrenal glands produces adrenaline and noradrenaline, which produces the fight or flight response in the body during intense situations. It is important. All of hormones and stuff can be related to being an esthetician, and it's important to know all of these things because if people have these diseases or like have signs and symptoms of these, then you need to watch out for the different chemicals that you use on their face and how the body is going to respond and react to the different treatments that you choose to do, and it makes sure that it's all safe and good for the client.